So you've been hearing the craze about Clubhouse and you want to get started, but nobody has sent you an invite. In today's video, I'll be talking about a simple, fast way for you to get on Clubhouse without necessarily receiving an invite. What's up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, Clubhouse is becoming one of those fast-growing social media platforms, all surrounded by audio, and it just makes you want to learn, grab knowledge, and gain knowledge from a lot of major influencers, a lot of top media personalities. And you'll want to get on there, but you don't have an invite. So I kind of discovered a little hack that you can do to get on the platform without having somebody invite you, but it's going to be with somebody actually pulling you in to the actual app. So let's break it down. First step is that you need to have somebody on the platform that you know that can pull you into the platform. So somebody who already uses the app on a daily basis. Now, secondly, this is going to be one of the most important steps to this process. You need to make sure that you are connected to this person via Twitter, Instagram, or phone number. So you have some conversation between you guys on cell phone. So maybe you text each other, you FaceTime each other, as long as you have each other's numbers in your phone or you follow them on Instagram or Twitter. This part is important because Clubhouse can see all your contacts and it will know exactly who you are in contact with, which will allow this process to work. Step 3 can happen in two ways. Either one, you can have your friend that is already on the platform invite you into one of the meetings that is going on or to a meeting that is going to happen. What that is going to do is it's going to send you an invite to the application, and it is going to prompt the person that is already on the application if they want to bring you into the app without any invites, which is going to be awesome. Part 3, number 2, is now if you try to join Clubhouse, it will alert almost everybody that is on the application. It will alert that, oh, your friend is trying to join Clubhouse. Do you want to bring them in without an invite? They have the option to invite you in, and then you get in without somebody actually sending you an invite and wasting any of their invites. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. The amount of information that I've been gaining from this actual app has been immense. And to anybody that isn't on Clubhouse right now, I highly recommend that you get on there so you can soak in all that knowledge and information that's on there, because the amount of information is crazy. Now, to recap, you need to have somebody on the application. Once you find that the person is on the application, you need to make sure that you are connected to them via phone number, Twitter, or Instagram. Next, you need to have them send you an invite to one of the meetings that is going on, or you want to join Clubhouse and let them know, hey, I just joined. Do you see a notification to bring me in for free? And lo and behold, you're in Clubhouse. If you found this information helpful, be sure to go and hit the subscribe button, like this video so more people can get this valuable content, and share it if anybody that you know is looking to get into Clubhouse but you don't have any more invites. I'm Brandon Young. I will see you in my next video. Peace.